Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 5th of June 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 0.22%, settling the day at 42,427.74, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 19,460.49, increasing 0.32%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,692.75 and Hang Seng is trading at 23,876. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,735, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII bought 1,076.18 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,566.82 crore in the last trading session. India HSBC Services PMI for May came at 58.8, slightly above the previous of 58.7 in April. India HSBC Composite PMI for May came at 59.3, slightly below the previous of 59.7. Now talking about global aspects, US non-farm employment data showed a sharp slowdown, with only 37k jobs added, far below expectations of 111k and previous one of 60k. US ISM Services PMI fell to 49.9, below the forecast of 52.0 and previous month of 51.6. WTI fell 0.9% to $62.85 a barrel, and Brent fell 1.2% to $64.86 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.74. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.07%, up. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices rebounded after a 3-day losing streak, recovering from a 3-week low amid positive global cues. Investors are eyeing the RBI's upcoming policy decision, with expectations of a 25 bits per second rate cut to 5.75%, supported by easing inflation and strong GDP growth. Outlook for today: Nifty rebounded after a 3-day losing streak, recovering from a 3-week low. However, the index breached its 21-day EMA, which was acting as a critical dynamic support level. Strong support lies around 24,500, a previously tested demand zone. If this level breaks, Nifty may drift lower toward 24,200. On the upside, resistance is seen at 24,800. A decisive move above this level could lead to a rally toward 25,100. Bank Nifty settled on a positive note, trading in a tight range. Technically, the index formed a small green candle on the daily chart, indicating strength. Key support level is placed at 55,500, offering a good zone for deep buying. On the upside, 56,100 is a key resistance. A sustained move above this level could trigger a sharp rally toward 57,000. Overall, the setup remains positive, and traders can look to buy on dips. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, RVNL, CASC, Eternal, Paytm, Bajaj Auto. Bearish view, Trent, Gale, Shriram Finance, LIC Housing Finance. HDFC AMC trade of the day is bullish on JWL. Buy at 399, stop loss 380. Target 440. Rationale: bullish reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.